You know that feeling when every ride starts with a heavy backpack. Camera gear, tools, batteries, water, everything pressing on your back, killing the freedom you're supposed to feel. Sometimes it's not the road that wears you out, it's the weight you carry. You ride for hours and your shoulders feel fatigued. And I thought, what if you could attach your bag here on the tank? Not behind you, but right in front, where you can reach it anytime without loading your spine. Of course I knew tank bags existed. Been looking for a tank bag for a long time. I'd seen everything the market had to offer. None of them ever caught my eye. They were all the same, overdesigned, plastic, sporty garbage. No taste, no soul, no style. And those stupid rain covers. You stop the bike, dig it out, rub it up, then ride with a plastic bag flapping in the wind. This feels all super annoying to me. And just when I'd already given up on the idea, I got a message on Instagram. It was from a guy named Black Arrow Jimmy, the founder of a small brand called Uphillbrigade. He watched my videos and wanted me to be the first person to test his bag. The story of Jimmy is familiar to me. He'd also spent years searching for the perfect tank bag, but never found one that truly felt right. So one day he said, "Fuck it, I'll make one myself." Just one man in Taiwan, a writer, obsessed with solving his own problem. No investors, no factory team, no marketing department, just a single man small business, built entirely on passion, skill, and stubborn dedication. And that's kind of obsession I respect, because when something made out of pure passion, you can always feel it. So this is the RAINSTOPPER. The name says it all. The bag doesn't need a separate rain cover. It's rainproof by itself. Made with premium materials. The fabric is 100% waterproof and in the same time lightweight and flexible, yet it holds the form. Just crazy engineering this guy has made. No stitches, as you can see. All the connections are welded. That's why it's waterproof. Inside here is the small pocket for some small stuff and also with a proper zipper. The bag comes with a soft padded insert for camera gear or fragile stuff. This one blew my mind. On the side of the padding, here is 2 secret pockets for your plastic cards. Super useful when you pay on the gas station. And here's a detail, you can actually choose the color of the whole padding. 4 different color options available when you order. It's a small touch, but it's the kind of detail that shows real care. And if you don't need padding, just pull it out in 1 second and get full capacity. What you actually can fit into this bag? The volume is around 4 liters, just perfect balance between the capacity and neat look. Basically all the small but important things that used to be in my backpack now live here. And it still doesn't feel bulky on the tank. If everything doesn't fit inside, it has a standard molly loops around the edges and surface with Velcro. You can clip some badges, attach a pouch, or strap a small tripod on the side. You can carry some everyday things, for example, water bottle fit here perfectly with air pump, gloves, buff, and other things. The size is so right so this bag doesn't disturb your groin or legs even when standing on pegs off-road. Just a freaking perfect sizing. Another game changer of this bag is the shoulder strap system. It's genius. One pull and voila, it's a shoulder bag. Off the bike is just a normal, stylish bag. You can walk into a cafe, into an office, meet a friend, and you look like a normal human. not a motorcycling weirdo. When you come back to the bike, the same way you just wrap the strap around the bag and place it to the tank. No need to find the straps inside the bag and attach it every time. It's the most convenient bag routine I've ever seen, guys. The look of this bag is just a stylish black square basically. No unnecessary curves or colors or logos. It fits any bike from retro classics to sport bikes, but of course on Scramblers, Nakeds and some neo-retros, it just feels most right. By the way, this magnetic pad under the bag is detachable. You can order the perfect magnetic pad for your tank shape and style. There's 4 options on the website. If you don't know which to order, you always can write to Jimmy's Instagram and he will kindly give an advice to you. The link to his Instagram is in the description as well. If you ever doubt about the mount system, this magnet holds really damn strong. I tested it on the bumpy off-road and it didn't come off the place. Only when I crashed, the bag popped off but nothing inside broke. Which is for good, I guess. Maybe this detaching when you crash could save your stuff inside sometimes. I've been using this bag for half a year already, and it performed just perfect. You can see it almost in every of my POV video. This bag has seriously improved the overall comfort of owning a motorcycle. After I got it, I actually started wanting to ride even more. Because now my bike basically has a quick release 4-liter trunk for all my essentials. I've ridden countless kilometers with this bike and been through a lot with it. And I can confidently say, I recommend it. I've only found one minus. The zippers are a bit hard to pull, but that's because they're high-grade waterproof zippers. I just get used to it. A small price to pay for not worrying about rain ever again. This bag is just different. It's not a product from some faceless factory. It's built by a rider for riders, with attention to detail, real-world usability, and passion. That's why it feels so damn right. It's minimalistic, functional, stylish, and it works. Simple as that. And yeah, it ships worldwide from Taiwan. Wherever you are, you can get one. If you use the affiliate link in the description, you'll get 10% off. All uphill from here, brothers. See you in the next adventures.